All right, so we are about finished with this assignment. I do want to do this last one again since I rushed through it. So I'll drag that to my trash file. I will make a new layer. Pen tool, click, click, Alt key, click drag for my handle, click drag for my loop. Okay, now we want to take a screenshot. That could have been a lot better. Mrs. Martin did that kind of sloppy. Let's do that again. Click, click, Alt, click drag, click drag. Okay, so we want to take a screenshot of everything that we have here. It is important that I see all of your layers. There are 5 layers that we worked on, plus our background layer. We can drag our layers out if you're not seeing all those layers. And so I need a screenshot of your layers as well as this. And it is nice for you to include your Google login as well on your Chromebook. That way I know this is really you. So I'm going to go to my snipping tool. And I am going to use, so I have my layers included. I have, I have my Google ID included. And I have my actual work included. So this is what you are going to use that needs to go onto your assigned Google Slides. So if you have any questions, please attend the Google Meet. If you're watching this after the Google Meet, make sure you email with questions or attend the Google Meet tomorrow so you can get your work caught up. This assignment is due tonight, but as I explained in class, as long as you show up to the following Google Meet, ask questions, and then turn it in by tomorrow night, I will gladly give you full credit, because I feel it's very important for students to have adequate time to ask questions. So good luck, have fun, and I hope you're maybe enjoying a slight change of pace, maybe enjoying a little bit of nice weather. Maybe you can sit outside and work, whatever is most convenient to you, and I hope we can make the best of this learning opportunity together. Have a good one.